Unong yalam ka regional committee ubadai ban pet ya ka rilom jantia, ha ka baya day bat ka jinglong jingman na ka jingwan len shop ka mariang, uba lakmen Rymbui, haba kren syakilat pathai kubor, ulayatu bam mentahi, ya ki trok bat ki kali he, ampat Shah ban yai lingba na ka Surokbah NH-06. Bat ya kane kandang beteng tat hadu ban na ka tanat PWD bat ka nahai, kin penbahaswa ya ka tei ka Surok, Henry la Shah ban yai tang ya ki kali red, lingba ka Surok na ka Star Cement Company. Habia kren bat kilat pathai kubor, na kaliang ba lakmen Rymbui, ulong na ka jingwan lingshop uslap hakini kisngi haka jela, kalawan ra ya ka jingjulor ka bajurba, bat ban penpoy ka jingerap syakin nongsong snong ki bangat jing nen gasngi, lathaw ya ka regional committee.
Rain played havoc on the state of Meghalaya, all over the state of Meghalaya. And yesterday, taking into consideration of this situation in the state, our Honorable Prime Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister have taken the review meeting at 11 o'clock where he instruct each of the Deputy Commissioner to be on guard and see that to attend to the need of people at the earliest. And also he has formed the regional committee to look into for better coordination with the different deputy commissioner of the area. So yesterday after the meeting, when I finished my work in office, I went to visit the site in Lumshnang area where the road have been capped in due to the heavy rain in that area. So when I went there, I see that the situation is very grim and the vehicle could not pass through that road, and it is so many of the passengers or travelers be stranded there, and of course the police and the district administration tried to help them in some way or other to see that they could help them, whatever they could help them. So yesterday the PWD, the SP and DC and the site engineer of Nahai was there. So we inspect the road and looking at the condition of the road, and not only that road, and also just ahead of that road, the truck which are carrying all the heavy vehicle is not allowed to ply into this road and will not be allowed until the PWD and the district administration could satisfy that the road is fit for the heavy vehicle to ply through that road. So no heavy vehicle allowed or will be allowed until and unless the safety of that road is being certified by the competent authority. See, the rain is so heavy. That's why from all sides of that hillock accumulate in one spot, and from that one spot it goes to that area. So this is unforeseen situation which neither the Nahai nor the public have prepared for this. So we have to accept that these are the natural calamities which are happen, and it is our duty to see that the road communication could be restored as early as possible. See, as I told you that it's not one stretch, it's not one portion. As of I'm speaking now, there are 4 portions of the road which need to look into. So the PWD road, the chief engineer who by himself today was there, and the Nahai, they are looking into it so that, as I said, as early as possible. But the rain is so heavy, it is very difficult for the people to work on that. And moreover, I'm very happy also that the miners nearby also they are trying to divert if they can regarding the water so that the work could start. I cannot give you the timeline for the road to be complete, but at the earliest. They are trying to help the passengers who are stranded there, whatever they can. But as I said, it is today the all the material which need to temporarily restore the road, they have reached the site, and Nahai they will try to do to restore at least temporarily for the small vehicle, but for the big vehicle it will take time. And ahead of that, as I said before, there is one portion which need attention of the PUD and Nahai, and also beyond Umkiang. And at Kuliang also, there is the road, there is some crack in the road, which may put the travelers or the motorists in danger. And also ahead of Umkiang, about 5 kilometers from Artachara, the road also is starting to cap in. So all necessary precaution is being done, looked into by the district administration, so that no unfortunate incidents should happen in the park area. Moreover, to to see that the normal traffic in that road could be restored at the earliest. There are the situations which are waiting to happen. So after we inspect that road, we have a meeting in DC office where the Honorable MLA, local MLA, Mashid Langpale also, who we, together we are visiting the site. So we have a meeting to review not only on the park area, but on the issue affecting the whole East Ganges Hills district. So in that meeting, we have decided that the chief engineer PUD road and the officer from Nahai county office should go immediately and inspect. And today at 11 noon, they have a meeting at DC office here, where after the meeting, they went to visit the site, and they have formulated the plan how to restore that particular road. But fortunately for the small vehicle, there is some alternative road which only small vehicle could ply through starch cement. So the diversion of small vehicle, controlled diversion, because we can, since it is not normal road, so controlled diversion of the small vehicle could be done through that road, so to ease the problem of the commuter. But for the heavy vehicle, it will take some more time.